Anthony, 1 in Jacksonville and about 13 throughout the state. That's a lot actually compared to other states like Georgia, which has just 1.
We call this a mental health first aid kit.
Jennifer Sylvie Kaysen with UF Health Jacksonville says the new 988 mental health crisis hotline is just the beginning when it comes to mental health resources.
This is probably one of the best ideas they've come up with.
When you dial 988, it will route you to one of about 200 crisis call centers throughout the country based on your area code.
We all know the 911. We all know that hey, that's an emergency. I need help now. Well, this is that same thought process.
On the First Coast, you'll most likely be routed to the United Way of Northeast Florida, the one call center for our area.
We've been meeting with mental health providers, law enforcement officers, as a Northeast Florida 988 task force to really look at how can we build an ideal state and system to ensure that these callers who are coming into 988 is the tip of the spear.
Jeff Winkler, the head of basic needs for the United Way, says they've always operated this type of hotline. The only thing changing is the number.
We've seen a slight uptick, but we were wondering if we were going to see a major uptick, and it hasn't been that case yet. So I think that this really, is in line with a soft launch, and what we anticipate we'll see a gradual increase in call volume.
They plan to expand their staff to address that increase. Florida has 13 call centers across the state. According to a state spokesperson, the governor included about $15.5 million in the budget to expand the mobile response teams that could respond to a 988 call.
This really is a gradual development of a system that's going to allow us to address mental health very comprehensively.
And that state spokesperson also says about $5 million in grants will also go to the call centers. In the studio, Kaylee Tracy, First Coast News on your side.